We believe that digitalization is an essential thread woven into the fabric of your asset performance management strategy. However, many companies encounter challenges in implementing Industry 4.0 solutions. At MaxGrip, we help you with the digital transformation of your asset management. Our APM approach connects your assets, workers, and the business. Understanding how these elements interact is the core, as they are interconnected through underpinning data, also called the digital twin. Connected assets provide insight in current and future performance, providing vital data, which feed digitized work processes that provide connected workers with accurate information. The workforce will also further enrich the data. Connected business allows for applying what-if scenarios using advanced analytics and smart algorithms. MaxGrip's Asset Improvement Program connects the dots between these three dimensions of digital transformation, from a realistic business case to implementing improvements. Additionally, we accelerate time to value by combining our industry expertise and our ability to deliver end-to-end digital projects with the solutions offered by our technology partners. MaxGrip makes sure your organization can get the most out of the 4.0 technology. This will help you to realize your ambitions in digital transformation and get quantitative results. Let's turn your digital transformation into bottom-line improvements. Contact us today to find out what your roadmap to success looks like.